Welcome, everyone. In this video, we will see how you can use DataSnipper to perform tests of details with invoices in a different currency. Tests of details are performed to substantiate the balances in the accounting records of an audit client. In some cases, the listing from the accounting records is in a different currency to the source documentation. There are different options for how we can perform this use case. Option 1 is to check whether the client has the amount of the foreign currency recorded in their general ledger, and if they do, use those figures to run document matching. Option 2 is to use document matching for other fields and then snip the amount manually. Option 3 is to calculate the results in the foreign currency and then run the document matching. For option 3, we'll do the following work steps. Start by adding an extra column to the input data to recalculate it. Then search for the relevant FX rate and use it as the input for your document matching. Then run document matching using the extra column with the updated FX rate. In the Excel workbook, we've set up a testing table with the input columns on the left and output columns on the right, as well as a column to calculate our exchange rate. We've clearly stated what the reporting and invoice currencies are and left a blank cell to add the FX rate used. We've set up a formula to multiply all of the reporting currency values by the exchange rate used. To do so, we need to search for the exchange rate, and since there is a P&L test, we'll look for the average exchange rate and import the search results as a screenshot into DataSnipper. Once the conversions are completed, let's open Document Matching and select our sample data as well as the documents we want to match with. In our input and output table, we'll make sure to include a threshold for our invoice amount input to account for conversion differences. Now simply click on Match All Rows. It's time for us to review the results. In doing so, it looks like we have an error, so we'll flag this with an exception snip so that we can follow up with our client. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out our knowledge base to learn more. Happy snipping!